Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to hide your site from WordPress theme detector. It's one of the easiest way to do it, and you don't need to buy anything or buy any subscription for this. What you need to do, just one plugin. But first of all, how you can detect your and how you can see that WordPress theme detector. So it's a website, it's a free website where you can just easily enter your URL and it will tell you what themes and what plugins they are using. So as you can see, this is my website and they have shown me, right? So what you can do, just go back to your dashboard and go to your plugins and click on add new plugin. It will open up something like this. Just search for hide my WP ghost, and the first plugin you would see, hide my WP ghost security plugin. Install this. Once you install this, you will see activate button. Click on this. Once it activated, you would see on the left side of the menu at the bottom, hide my WP. So you need to hover over it and click on overview. After that, just skip activation. Here you can see that we have secure WP path. Just click on activate feature. After that, click on light mode, click on continue and click on save. After saving, you need to obviously hide your plugins also. So click on this plugin security, and after that click on hide all plugins, and at the bottom you will see save button. Just click on save and your theme and plugins both are hidden and no one can see, and not even you can detect on this website now. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to hide your site from WordPress theme detector. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.